Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, now act. Open Google Contacts from Gmail or Contacts. Google.com. Once there, make sure you're in the same Google account that lost contacts. Next, click Trash to view items deleted within 30 days. If you prefer restoring many changes at once, choose Undo Changes and pick a time window. Doing this quickly is crucial because trash and undo windows are time-limited. Restore now to recover contacts automatically into your active contact list. Now continue with the action that fits your situation. If contacts are in trash, select the ones you need and hit Restore. That returns them to your main list immediately. If many deletions occurred, choose Undo Changes and pick a timestamp that predates the deletion. This reverts the whole contact set. If the deletions exceed the 30-day trash window, import a CSV or vCard backup. Click Import, upload the file, and map fields if prompted. Make sure to confirm duplicate settings so nothing overwrites. Finish by verifying the restore. Search contacts and try composing an email to confirm entries appear in Gmail's address suggestions. Once done, make sure your device is sync. On mobile, go to Settings, Accounts, Google Sync Contacts, and trigger a manual sync. If contacts didn't return, confirm you used the correct Google account and that deletions were under 30 days. Otherwise, import your CSV/vCard backup. Key troubleshooting tip. Check for multiple Google accounts and the active account selector in Contacts, because restoring to the wrong account is a common mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.